fall turkey hunt. But I bought a tag this year because we know of a couple really good, large, healthy flocks. So we figured, if we take one in the fall and don't come back here in the spring, that'll even out. So it's about 7:27. I think what I'm going to do, there's a lot of dew on the ground, so I can move around quietly, but it's also a little foggy right now. So I'm going to sit tight, listen to anything possibly flying down. I'm sitting on top of a big pole. If I can hear something fly down, trying to figure out which way it went and catch up to it. I don't have any calls. I'm not going to break up the flock and try and call them back in. This is simply woodsmanship hunt. I have roughly till noon. Then Casey and I are getting in a tree this evening, going to one of her spots. I'll be filming her. I can hear turkey yelping up in a tree. They're not far. 100, 150. Looking at the map, they might be about 200 yards. It's been about 10 minutes. Haven't heard anything squawk for a while. With this fog. This fog behind me. I'm thinking it's going to take them a little bit longer to get down. So I moved down the hill a little bit. Before I moved, I scanned the treetops. I didn't see anything. I didn't hear anything in that direction on the ground. So I'm taking this opportunity to slip down. I'd like to stay up top, but it's so thick on the top of these ridges that I won't be able to move around and I'll be stuck wherever I stop. At least here at the bottom, or at least towards this bottom third, I have a little bit of availability to move. So I'm just using a deer trail to sneak down. Those birds sounded like they were straight that way. I don't know if they're going to pitch down into that clear cut behind them. I'd guess so. I can't hunt that, but I can get down here, and I know there's water and a bunch of acorns and hickories and beech nuts down here. So this might be a ambush style here for a little bit. Alright, I got myself into another good listening spot. It's still foggy, and there's one thing that we know about hunting turkey. And there's not a lot that we know if you see our spring videos. Anyways, it takes a lot of patience, so I'm just going to sit here and listen. pretty sure he's down. That was a big flock. Oh, thank you, Lord. Oh man, this is so exciting. I've killed fall birds before, but never a tom. And we don't do it very often. It all depends on the flock size and the flock health in the area. We know that this is a good area. We've been in here before. We've turkey hunted this in the spring. Can never get them to gobble. So I figured I'd come in here this fall and try and get one. This is absolutely incredible. Alright, I'm gonna say what I always say. Let's clean them up. What a great morning. Beautiful morning, beautiful bird. This is a great way to kick off 2024 fall season. We did our research for this area. We came out and scouted. We also knew that this flock was healthy. If you guys do turkey hunt, we do recommend making sure for fall birds you're taking a bird out of a larger flock. A good healthy large number is really good for the turkey population. These creatures aren't really set up for success. They have a lot of predation, harsh winters, a lot of things go on for these birds, and it's a blessing to be able to hunt them. So we definitely recommend getting out, that's for sure. We definitely recommend getting everything you can for the food off of them. Just make sure that you do your research and know that you're not going to do any harm if you go out for a fall bird. So I'm really thankful for this morning and for this bird. I'm thankful for you guys. I really appreciate you guys watching. We love hunting. We love sharing it with you guys. It's been a great kickoff for the year. Deer's kind of kicked our butt so far. You'll see that, and you probably already saw that in our latest video. Great way to kick off the morning. Casey and I are going to go out for a hunt this evening. It's going to be her first bow hunt of the year. She's got a great spot. She has a great opportunity to get on a deer tonight. So if we could double down with the turkey and a deer in the same day, that'd be phenomenal. And we're thankful to be able to have days like this. It's a Thursday.
and we're gonna double hunt. So that's a blessing. This bird is a blessing, and walking out 15 pounds heavier is a blessing. Thank you guys for watching.